Hello everyone! Today I want to talk about lessons from a mistake. I think everyone makes mistakes, and it's okay because
One time, I made a mistake last year when I was 11 years old. I was playing with my new robot toy in the living room.
My mom told me to clean up my toys after playing, but I forgot to put the robot back in its box. I was a bit lazy. The next morning, my little brother found the robot and accidentally dropped it. Oh no. The robot broke into many pieces. But then I realized it was my fault. From this mistake, I learned a very important lesson. I should always tidy up my things immediately after using them. It's important to be responsible for my belongings. Now, I always make sure to put my toys back in their place right after playing. This mistake taught me to be more careful. Hey Alex, remember to put your car away when you're done playing, okay? It feels so good when everything is tidy and in its place. This mistake truly taught me to be more careful and responsible. And I'm glad I learned that important lesson.
Hello. One time, I made a mistake by being late for school.
It happened last month. I was playing video games in the evening, and I went to bed very late. The next morning, I woke up late and missed the school bus. I felt very worried and embarrassed. My mom had to drive me to school, and I was late for the first lesson. From this mistake, I learned a very important lesson. I should always go to bed early. It's important to get enough sleep. Now, I always make sure to finish my games and go to bed on time so I can wake up fresh for school. It really makes a difference, and I feel so much better every day now.
Hi everyone! I want to tell you about a mistake I made last week. I was helping my mom wash the dishes in the kitchen. I was carrying a glass, but I was not careful enough, and I accidentally dropped it. Oh no! The glass broke into many small pieces on the floor. I felt very sad and a little bit scared because I broke something. It's okay, everyone makes mistakes. From this mistake, I learned a very important lesson. I should always be more careful when I carry fragile things.
It's important to focus on what I'm doing. Now, I always hold glasses tightly with both hands.
This mistake taught me to be more attentive. So, remember, even mistakes can teach us amazing lessons.